This is another unedited trade recap. Here's this. How do I do this? I don't want to do this. This is my P&L for the day across 3 accounts. I'm on evals right now. I'm trying to pass these because I'm moving away from Project X and we are moving on to TradingView. TradingView, I want to keep it more professional. It's a lot easier. And this is the trade we took today. We took shorts, and I'm going to run you through my bias and why I thought this was happening. So, first, daily. Let me fix this. Sorry, guys. On the daily, we had this unfilled daily gap, so I was super bearish. We had this up here, all these wicks. We kind of took these highs, and this is all-time highs up here, and we rejected, and I mean rejected. So we're going to inverse this daily, and that's going to be ridiculous, unless we reverse later on today. This, I was very short. I wanted to go short. And I thought once we got there that the daily objective was done and we didn't have anything else. But then I looked a little further, and after this 4-hour liquidity void that lines up with the daily, we had another 4-hour right here, which I targeted. And as I scaled down with some amazing high time frame alignment, it was perfectly connected to the 1 hour. So not only are we targeting a 4-hour, but also a 1 hour. So this is an extremely huge drawn liquidity. Like, this is a perfect drawn liquidity for me. I was beyond impressed at how good of a trade this was going to play out to be. 15-minute, we had this big dump at market open, took out this Asia low, no reversal. I said, okay, we're going to be looking for an internal, some internal liquidity, a higher time frame gap. So that's what we targeted. We came 5-minute, no, sorry, came to the 1 minute. I originally had entered longs pre-firing a inversion. I believe it was, which candle was it? It was on the 3-minute. It was this candle right here. I thought we were going to reverse here, but we didn't. I was wrong. So if I show my executions, that'll show up. Execution marks here. Okay. I know this looks ugly, but first trade, we took a break even. We entered here. Immediately I got out after I saw that. Second trade was shorting off of this 1 minute inversion, and we broke even. Third trade, we retest this 1 minute inversion, and we hold to that 4-hour gap. My draw never changed. I just had to re-enter a few times, and we hit this beautiful 4-hour lined up with the 1 hour. Easy TP, zero drawdown the entire trade. Probably the best trade I've taken this year. And that was it. That was perfect drawn liquidity. And now we're chopping in it. Drawn liquidity, check. Entry model, check. Being a boss, being boss ass nigga, check. That's it. That's what it takes. That's all it takes. Have confidence in your model. Take a loss if you have to take a loss, and be confident that it's going to work. Take that one. What is this? 1 point. Ruh-roh. Where's my entry? 1.79. Broke even at these lows here. Was my break even? Right here. These wicks, perfect. Broke even once we closed. Boom. Broke even here technically because candle closure below it, and that was my trade. Okay, goodbye.